Today, after church, we're gonna go to the beach.
Wow, that's pretty good.
I got a sand blanket.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Happy Sunday! I just got to church. I'm in Judah's class today, his teacher. His birthday was yesterday, so I brought their class some cupcakes. So we'll have a little Judah party today. One of the things Judah wanted to do for his birthday was go to the beach. So today, after church, we're gonna go to the beach, which is gonna be really fun.
Oh, okay, say thank you. Say thank you.
Judah, this is for you. Happy birthday!
Can you say thank you? Whoa, that's cool. Is it gooey?
Yeah, he's gooey.
Oh, cotton candy. Oh, you're so sweet.
That's your favorite, right, Toby? He knows.
What'd you get? Wow. Can you say thank you? Tell Michelle thank you. Oh, you got a balloon. It's so cute. What'd you get? A card. What'd you get? Walkie-talkies. That'll be fun to play with. Say thank you, Emma. Can you give her a hug? Oh, thank you, Emma. You guys having birthday cupcakes? Everyone's...
Happy birthday, cupcake!
That was beautiful, Emma.
Cupcakes.
Very good.
Happy birthday, cupcake.
Is it the cupcake's birthday? All right, it is beach time. We're in the beautiful city of Malibu. Lots of people enjoying the Memorial Day weekend. It's windy. I hope you can hear me. I forgot the little thing that goes on the mic. More wind. Judah's already super excited and playing in the sand. All right, we found a spot to put our things. Asher's already busy in the sand. That is what he was so excited about. You made a dolphin? Good job! Grandpa's digging a hole. And then Judah and Lucas are somewhere out there. I think that's them right there. You making handprints? Now rake it up. There you go. Whoa, whoa, you're getting sand on me. Curious about the water, but also like wants to be held. I don't know how they're doing it. I'm like shaking and like teeth chattering. It's too cold for me. I convinced Judah to get out of the water for some Doritos. Now he's sitting in the sun. Are you cold, Judah? Too cold to talk? Yeah. We got Judah all bundled up now. He's got 2 towels covering him. How was it?
Good. After a while, it's not cold anymore.
3, 2, 1. Oh, whale! I did it! A whale! You wanna make a turtle, Asher? We need the wet sand. Now we need a flat spot. Ready? Turtle! A ninja turtle! Let's make a sun. You wanna make a sun? You just throw it. Hey, Lucas got us some more water so we can make things. Okay, put it in that kind of hole right there.
Like this? Dump the water in.
Dump the water in. Yeah. That makes wet sand. There we go. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Nice crab.
Look at that one. Smush. Smush him. Yeah, smush. Smush, smush. You gonna make a whale. Here, use this sand right here. Use this stuff, the wet stuff. Dry sand's not gonna work, bud. I'm telling ya. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yeah, didn't work. What else we got in here? I don't know what that is. Let's make, what is that, a mushroom? It's weird.
It's much warmer in the sand.
Yeah, I know. That's why I sat in the sand. It's warmer than sitting like on a chair. Oh, you're gonna put sand in there? Oh, that'll be real good wet sand.
You're out of water? Oh no! Alright,
Water delivery's here, he said. Water delivery. Put it in the hole. And then we gotta cover it so it doesn't tip over. Now we got water. Woohoo! And let the play commence. Ooh, how do you make sand water? Nice. Doing some sand bearing. Is it warm?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You did it. Do it again. No, do not put sand on the camera. Oh, that would be bad. I don't like sand. Snack break going on. Chips and chairs and towels. These kids look cold. Packing up now. It is getting way windy and way too cold. Okay, shoes. Shoes. Alright, boys. You ready to go? Say bye-bye, beach. Bye-bye, beach. You ready? You guys are dirty. You're gonna get a bath when we get home. They're leaving us. They're over there. Follow Grandma. Somebody is not happy about this decision to leave. I know, honey. I know. Time to leave. What's going on over here?
Just rinsing sand off.
Well, that works. Are you clean? You don't need a shower now.
Yeah.
Judah, you have like the perfect beach
Oh
balls.
my gosh, dude.
What?
It's just
Sand. Oh my. Lots of sand. In every crevice of everything. Bye-bye, beach. Pit stop. Me and Judah. We have to pee. And also, we need coffee. So we're going to Starbucks. The Starbucks is so cute. It's like a log cabin. And also, look how I'm dressed. Success. We went to the bathroom, yeah? And I think my dad got the coffee. I didn't see him in there, so I'm guessing he came out to the car. But seriously, look how I'm dressed. And that was a really nice Starbucks. And look, I've got this coat on, PJ pants, sandals. I look like a crazy person.
Pants.
I've got PJ pants on.
You can't go with your PJs.
I know. I went to Starbucks in my PJs. They let us in. Did you get it? You got it. You got the Starbucks. Tunnel time. Woo! Tunnel.
It's so dark.
It's so dark. We made it back home after almost running over a mattress in the road. How was
that was pretty scary. It wasn't scary because we saw it, but it has the potential to be scary.
Yeah, someone's gonna hit that or swerve and hit somebody. It's gonna be dangerous. At Starbucks, you were showing me the sand in your pocket, so I wanted to dump it out before we got inside. Look.
That's a lot of sand.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Does the beach know you took all that sand?
Better give that sand back.
Oh man.
All right, the boys are out of the shower. They are all clean. Clean babies. Clean babies. Oh, you guys are the cutest. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. The boys were laughing at Daddy. I wanted to show you.